Log into your LMS and go to your course page. Click Turn Editing On button. Resize your computer window so that you can view both your LMS browser window and your files on your computer. Drag a file from your computer into the bottom of a course section. An indicator stating Add File here will show where the file will appear in the course section when you release your mouse button. Choose Add a SCORM package and click Upload button. You can rename your SCORM file in LMS and click to preview your interactive learning material.